Uh, Guys, remember that in the last video we installed Python and we put it in our system path. So let's talk about what is system path actually. Actually, system path is a place that we put the address of some application that we installed in our PC. So somehow our computer can find it there. So when we search in the CMD here Python and dash dash version, our computer can find Python and give us the version that we installed Python. So if there is anything wrong with system path, there'll be some problem to demonstrate in our command prompt. So in this episode, we are going to solve this problem manually if you face error while you install Python. And let's search in our Windows bar path and open here environment variables. Down here you can see environment variables and click on it. So up here on the user variable, find path and click on edits. So in this window you can see some paths that you have installed on your Windows. So for Python we have 3 paths that should appear right here, but if you don't see them, it's okay, we are going to add them manually after. But if you see them and the Python really doesn't work fine on your computer and you cannot see on your Windows prompt, here the thing is the Python files should be on the top of this list. So here you will use this key move up and move Python files by this order that you can see here and put them on the top. So if you go back in command prompt and check again, I think you should be okay and Python should work fine for you. So what if you don't see any of the Python files, or maybe not 3 of them in this window? On Windows search, just search Python here. Here do right click and open file location. Here is the Python shortcut. Again, here do right click and open file location. So here is where Python installed. As you can see here, we have a file name named python.exe, which is your Python interpreter. So first we need to add Python interpreter to our system path. So right here, just copy this path and let's go back to environment variables, put here new and enter OK. And don't forget to move it up on the top of the list. Okay, the second address belongs to the pip. And what is pip? Actually, pip is a device that you can download Python packages and install them on your computer. So to add pip's direction to your system path, let's go back to Python interpreter path. Here, open script. So here you can see pips, and let's again copy this path and add it like how it was to system path and move it to the top. And the last address is PyLauncher. PyLauncher is a tool that we can somehow run Python on our Windows. So let's go back to Python interpreter file and let's put it back here. So as you can see here, launcher, and let's copy this path and do the same thing and move to the top. I think we should be okay right now. So here, just press OK 2 times, and that's it for now. Let's go back to CMD in our command prompt. So let's check if pip, PyLauncher, and Python interpreter installed on our computer. First, if you know this code, let's do Python space dash dash version, and the next we are going to check the pip. This is the code to check if the pip installed well. All right. So to check if PyLauncher has been installed well, let's clear here all the codes with cls command, and here this window is called Python shell. On Python shell you can run some commands that are related to Python. Next episode, we are going to talk about it. So if you want to get out of Python shell, you just put Ctrl Z. As you can see, now Python works fine. See you in the next episode.